Hello! An emergency deactivation of the factory alarm system and start the engine of Toyota Camry 2017 with a compact key programmer via OBD2 connector. This is a compact key programmer for Toyota and Lexus. This is a tested car, Toyota Camry 2017. Check that the car is closed. Open the driver's door with a mechanical key and the factory alarm system is immediately activated. Enter the car and insert the compact key programmer into the OBD2 connector. The factory alarm system is immediately deactivated and all doors are unlocked. After several seconds, the car's ignition is switched on automatically. One can start the engine. Press on the Start/Stop button and the engine started. Pull out the programmer from the OBD2 connector. Indication on the dashboard shows the absence of a key in the car. Switch the engine off and try to start it again without the programmer. The engine does not start. Again, insert the programmer into the OBD2 connector and restart the engine. Now we pull out the programmer from the connector. The engine continues to work. On the dashboard, there is again an indication that there is no key in the car. Let's go! Thanks for watching.